Hi, this is Brett with Piano Aha, and today we want to talk about whole tones and half tones. Now we're not talking about whole notes or half notes, those have to do with rhythms. Whole tones and half tones have to do with distances on the piano. Let me show you what I mean. So the distance between here and here is known as a whole tone because there's a key between them. The distance between here and here is a half tone. There's no key between them. Another example would be this is a whole tone and this is a half tone. Now I actually prefer to say this is a whole step because that makes it clear that this is actually a distance. Because you might think that since they're called half tones and whole tones, that we're dealing with tones. Unfortunately, you would be wrong. We're dealing with distances. So although you can call these half steps or half tone steps or half tones, the one that I prefer to say is half step, which makes it clear that what we're talking about is actually a distance between two keys. Just the same way that an octave is a distance between two keys, or a seventh, or a sixth, or a fifth. These are all distances between two keys. So just like in the real world, we would call this distance here maybe 20 centimeters. Well, if we're talking about music, we would say the distance from here to here is an octave. Same thing here. We just call this distance a whole step, and this is a half step. You can see that well if you look into the piano. I'll play a whole step, and you can see that there is actually a hammer between these two. So this must be a whole step. Now if I play a half step, there is no hammer between them. So again, these have nothing to do with black notes or white notes. It all has to do with the distances between two keys. So don't make the mistake of thinking, oh, I know where the half tones are. These are the half tones here, and then these must be the whole tones. Right? These are not the whole tones and the half tones. This is just the distance between two keys. So thanks for watching this video, and happy ahas.